Go home, everybody. I got a fucking house. Go build an igloo, motherfucker. Put your ass in there. Fucking motherfuckers. Suckers. We want to eat like they're fucking starving to death. You know, go eat my dick. How does that sound? Chadwick Street. I mean, really, you're gonna die for this fucking breakfast. What the fuck is Chadwick Street at? I can't even see the fucking sign. Oh, there it is. Here's Chadwick Street. Now let me get the fuck down here. Try to get down here. Give me this breakfast, cocksucker. Oh, you can't get down there either, can you? Can you get down there? Let me see. You can get down here. Oh, yeah, you can. Look at that. Wow. I can get down here. Yeah. All right, come on. On the payment there, Homer. It's your Chadwick Street stroll on. Hey, how you doing?
We won't be able to get out. The street's plowed in from Carpenter, so.
10:15, Chad. Will you please somebody call for breakfast? Would you believe that?
Are you serious?
Yeah. They must be nuts up here, man. Where do I see this person? You call again and you're going to get it with a broom. So you can't get up there at all.
Yeah, you're gonna have to back out. Yeah, you can get up to the end of the street.